Hello, boss. We are the manufacturer specializing coffee vending machines. Now let me introduce our factory to you. Hello, everyone. This is our development history. We established our company in the 2007, so we have 19 years experience in this industry. Here are the certificates. We have all the certificates that you need, such as the CE, CB, and ROHS, and so on. Okay, here is our sample showroom. As you can see, this is a 2-in-1 device, coffee vending machine and vending machine in one device, and a smart tabletop coffee vending machine, 24 hours self-service unmanned stove. Food heating machine, hot coffee machine and iced coffee machine and with silver function, vending machine, our product department. Hello, boss. This is our shipmental workshop. We opened it in the 2013. And it lets us to ensure every piece of our shipment that we produce meets the international standard. These three are our CNC machines. This is our parts assembling workshop. All our products are designed and assembled in modular form, so you don't need to worry about our machines repairing. This is our production workshop. We have 4 large-scale production lines for stand models and 2 lines for tabletop models. To make sure the quality, every machine goes through strict quality inspection and multiple rounds of testing before delivery. Hello everyone, this is our ice machine factory. We develop and manufacture them by ourselves. This is the ice maker installed in our coffee machine. This is a full container that packed with vending machines and that have been carefully inspected and ready to go.